Have you ever wondered about the life of the Hawksbill sea turtle? This fascinating creature is a critically endangered species, with its presence limited to the tropical and subtropical marine ecosystems across the globe. The hawksbill is particularly drawn to warm tropical waters, finding a close alliance with the vibrant coral reef habitats that dot our oceans. This introduction only scratches the surface of the world of the hawksbill sea turtle. Now that we know a bit about the hawksbill, let's dive deeper into its habitat and distribution. The hawksbill sea turtle is a global traveler, with two prominent subpopulations. These sea turtles are true citizens of the world. In the Atlantic, they journey from the Gulf of Mexico to South Africa, with Florida and the Caribbean playing host to their major nesting sites. Imagine these turtles, year after year, returning to these same picturesque beaches to lay their eggs. Across the globe in the Indo-Pacific, the hawksbills trace the coasts of Africa, Madagascar, Southeast Asia, and Australia. They've adapted to a multitude of environments. Notably, they've been seen nesting in places as diverse as the Gulf of Thailand and Pulau Satumu in Singapore. Despite its wide range, the hawksbill sea turtle faces numerous environmental challenges. The hawksbill sea turtle's environment, tropical and subtropical marine ecosystems, is under constant threat. Climate change is one substantial challenge, with rising temperatures and sea levels potentially altering their habitats. Pollution also poses a significant threat, as plastic debris, oil spills, and other pollutants can prove fatal to these creatures. Human activities add another layer of complexity. Coastal development often disrupts their nesting sites, while illegal poaching for their unique shells continues to be a concern. It's a tough world out there for the hawksbill. Efforts to conserve and protect these environments are in full swing. Government regulations, conservation programs, and local community initiatives are working tirelessly to mitigate these threats. They aim to clean the oceans, protect the nesting sites, and create awareness about the species' plight. The hawksbill sea turtle is not just another sea turtle, it has some unique characteristics that set it apart. To start, one of the most distinguishing features is its sharp, bird-like beak. This beak, from which it gets its name, is unlike any other turtles. Another unique attribute is the saw-like shell margins, which give it a distinct look. But the uniqueness doesn't stop there. Hawksbill sea turtles are biofluorescent. This means they have the ability to reflect blue light and re-emit it as a different color, often a mesmerizing green. This is particularly noticeable in males, who have more intense pigmentation than females, a fact that adds a touch of mystery to these fascinating creatures. In terms of size, adult hawksbills typically grow to about 1 meter in length and can weigh around 80 kilograms. That's about the size of a small sofa. These features not only make the hawksbill unique but also play a role in its daily activities and behavior. The hawksbill sea turtle leads an active and interesting life. A day in the life of a hawksbill is filled with exploration and search for sustenance. These turtles are primarily solitary creatures, each carving its own path through the vastness of the ocean. Now let's dive into their diet. Hawksbills have a particular fondness for sponges, which comprise the bulk of their diet. They also supplement this with a variety of marine organisms such as jellyfish, sea anemones, and crustaceans. Their sharp beak-like mouths are perfectly designed for reaching into crevices in the coral reefs to snag these delicacies. When it comes to reproduction, hawksbills, like other sea turtles, return to the beaches where they were born to lay their eggs. This journey back home is fraught with peril, from predators to human disturbances. Once they reach their nesting grounds, female hawksbills lay around 100 eggs at a time and then return to the sea, leaving the next generation to fend for themselves. From weathering the challenges of the open ocean to braving the journey back home to nest, their story is one of endurance and survival.